Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Mauli's Tech Lectures. So, in previous video we have discussed about introduction to Python, in which we have covered what is meaning of programming language, what is Python, what are the features of Python and applications of Python. Before we start, make sure you have seen first video, Introduction to Python. Now, in today's video, we will discuss about first Python program. We are going to learn first Python program. This is our lecture number 2. So, it's very famous program to print hello world. I will directly show you the code. This is the code of our first Python program to print hello world. Usually what we do is whenever we start with any programming language, first program we write to print hello world. Same thing we will do here. This program helps beginners understand how Python works and how output is displayed. So this is our code of first Python program to print hello world. Now we will understand what is this print, how this line works. Okay, so first is what is print function, how this print function works. So print, the name print is the function name. This is the first function which beginners learns, and this function is used to display output on the screen. It helps Python to communicate with the user. Then next is quotes. Quotes are used to print text. When we want to print text, we must write it inside quotes. Python supports both single quote and double quote. Without quotes, Python show error because it tells the Python that the content is text, not variable or command. When printing numbers, we do not use quotes. If we forget to give quotes, Python can't understand the text. It means text inside the quotes treated as a string. Okay. Next is round bracket. Through round bracket, we pass the data to a function. Brackets are used to call function. Without round brackets, function will not work. Remember it. Whatever we want to display, we write it inside this bracket. So print function is display output on the screen. Quotes, text inside the quotes treated as a string. We use both double quote or single quote. Okay, then round brackets is data passed to function. Whatever we want to display, we write it inside this round brackets. Now let us run our first Python program step by step. Now I am writing our first program to print hello world. So we write print function inside bracket double quote print hello world. And now run this program. Here we get the output hello world. So this print is the function which we use to display output, and the round bracket are used to call the function. Then text inside the quote is the message we want to display. So if you understood what I explained in this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Comment below and tell me whether it was helpful for you. So thank you so much.